How to name Instagram group chat. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to name Instagram group chat. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and then type in Instagram. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I do not have an update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to the home page and open the Instagram application. Here on the Instagram application, it will directly lead you here to your home page. To change or to name your Instagram group chat, on the upper right, you will see the messenger icon. You click on that, and then you have to create a group chat to be able to name the Instagram group chat. Now, if you already have a group chat, as you can see here, just click on this. This is my group chat. So let's say you want to name the Instagram group chat. All you have to do is to click on see group members, and it will lead you here to the details of your group chat. Now here you will see everything that you could manipulate to your group chat, including the name. So where is the name? So it's in the bold icon here, or bold text here. So all you have to do is to delete this all and then name the group chat. For example, just put team A, and then on the upper right you'll see the word done. You click on done. Then if you go back, your group chat is already named as team A. So basically that is how you name your Instagram group chat. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.